So here's how you can add keyframes in your Capcut PC. So first of all, the first thing is you have to load your media file in your timeline. Now once you are done, the next thing is you have to zoom in a little bit. Let's say you are working on a professional project and you want to use the keyframes. So what you have to do is to simply tap on this timeline one time and this will select your video. Now to start your keyframing, you just have to tap on this diamond icon which is on the top right and which is saying position. So you just have to tap on this one time and this has added our first keyframe. Now if I move a little bit forward few frames and adjust my position, let's say I want to go with this -8 position on the x-axis. And now if I play this is how it will looks like. As you can see, the video is moving to the x-axis. Now the next thing is you can also do the same for the rotation, and if I show you this, at keyframe of the rotation, move a little bit forward in time just like that, and if I go for the rotation now just like this, and now play the video, this is how it will looks like. As you can see, the keyframes are working perfectly. So in order to remove your keyframes, you just have to select the keyframe and tap on delete button, and there you go. So hope this helped. This is how you can add keyframes in your Capcut PC.